All right, what's up everybody? Welcome to Colin's Club and Craig. And what are we doing today? We are tinkering. And if you're a car person, sometimes you just tinker with stuff for hours, and when you're done, nobody else cares but you. But that's what car people do, right? So if you remember in a video previously, I took the roof racks off. Now I didn't bolt them back down, but they're back on. But this is what we're doing today. We're shortening the roof racks. And why are we doing that? Because when you get a sun visor, a moonroof visor, right? When you get one of these wind deflectors, it won't fit on with your roof racks. You see the hole right here? So I shortened this side, brought it back. There's two holes, I'm just gonna do one, and I'm gonna show you how you cut it, shorten it, and then you line everything up. Let's go around to the other side and I'll show you the other one. It doesn't look good being long, even if you can cut the edges and make it fit with the wind deflector on. All right, here's this side. This one has not been cut yet, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now see what I mean? Look at right here, even if I could cut this some so it goes around it, I just don't like the way it looks. So I cut it back and shorten it, and we're gonna show you how to do that. Here's the tools, this is all you need. Hacksaw, some tin snips to cut the plastic. Now, you know, I'm gonna show you. Drill, I'm gonna show you. Now, we're not drilling into the top of the roof, that's for the plastic. All right, so far you see everything, right? You gotta like eyeball the drill bit size and look at everything. Let me show you the nub up top. So this is what I was doing, and always lining up the holes. What I'm doing is I'm looking down through where the bolt goes in and making sure it lines up with the hole, one of these right here that's in there. Of course, we're not gonna use that one because we shortened it. So there's the little nub, right? That's what I was marking with the Sharpie. But one thing, you gotta drill another hole in front of that, because even though the cover, right, it's gonna go over this. So if there's wind, you know, it's gonna be bolted down with one bolt before it had two, but see how it goes past it? So nothing's gonna, and then you're gonna be bolted down here and in the back. So it's not gonna lift up, but just to be sure, what I did was, in front of that nub, there's a hole for where a bolt would go. And again, we're not gonna drill into the roof, we're gonna leave it alone. One bolt is good enough on this plastic aluminum rail that nobody ever uses. Okay, when's the last time you saw somebody go down with a Jeep and luggage on the roof? So look at, watch, when I move this, there's the old hole, which we're not gonna use, but I'm gonna drill another hole and put a bolt through there. That way, clamp it a little bit, all right? But we're gonna have to drill in there a little bit to get it so the bolt goes in so it doesn't hit the roof of the Jeep. See, what we wanted was we wanted this bolt to go deep in, because this is going to be sitting on the roof and you don't want a metal bolt on top of the metal or the paint. So you see how it sit in? It's okay right there, but we wanted to go down inside of it. See that? There it is. That's all it took. You saw, I fast forward everything, and let's take a look and see how it came out. Come on, right? Look at this, they're shortened. Like, I know some people are like, what in the world? Why would you even do this? Who has time to do this crap, right? I love it. See how it's, there's the old, it would be way up here. You can see the line right there where it would be. It wouldn't fit because the wind deflector is wider. I love it. This is what we do, folks. All right, let's go around the other side. All right, look at that. Oh man. Man, I see they used to go all the way up to here. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, folks. Well, there you have it. Another Jeep video. Senseless. Why do we tinker? Because we can. And why do we do it even though it means nothing to anybody else? Because it means something to me. All right, catch you in the next video.